Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a voiceover in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's open a Premiere Pro project. First, you need to check your audio hardware preferences. Click on Edit. In the pop-up, click on Preferences, then Audio Hardware. In the Audio Hardware tab, click on Default Input and make sure that you have selected your microphone as the audio input. Now go to the Audio tab. Here, make sure that you have turned on the Mute Input During Timeline Recording option. If you don't do this, you'll hear feedback in your headphones with a lot of latency, which makes recording a voiceover really difficult. After you are done, click on OK. Once that's set up, just click the little microphone icon on any track. You'll see a countdown, and then Premiere will start recording. Here's an example of me recording some audio. And when you click it again, Premiere will generate the audio clip. From there, you can trim it, adjust it, or apply any effects you like. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.